Hello, SOL and SOR PE scholars. It's me, Magister Beck. Magister Cole and myself for this week for SOL and SOR PE scholars that are doing the distance learning. Kind of like you to do an activity with your family, a team building activity. And some of you may have done it on campus before when you're in person, like it's called Mission Impossible. So maybe gather four, five, six different objects around your house or in your garage or shed or whatever, just any kind of objects you think you can use, and have a start and have a finish. Like at school, we go across the gym and we go from one end to the other, and you have like four or five people on your team and like four objects. Like what we have the other week, we had a hula hoop, a rope, a scooter, and just a plastic piece. And I think maybe I gave them a noodle too as well. And they had to get all five of the scholars from one end of the gym to the other side without touching the ground. So you can do that with your family, whether it's just you and your brother or sister, or your mom and dad, or grandma and grandpa. I mean, just however big of a group you can get together. But it's a good team building activity, and I think you guys would have fun with it. So whether you're in an apartment and you're just going from one end of the family room to the other, or you have a big yard or driveway and you want to go from one end of the driveway to the other, or one end of the backyard to the other, that'd be fantastic. But I think it'll bring your family closer together, and you'll find out how important teamwork is. Hope you guys have fun with this, and that, like always, if you guys have any questions at all whatsoever, email Magister Cole or myself, Magister Beck, and we'll get back to you at our earliest convenience. Hope you guys have fun with this, online distance scholars, and hopefully we get to see you guys in person sometime real soon. Miss you guys. Have a good one.